Hello guys and welcome to our new video. So you want to install the new Windows 11, but in Windows Update it says your PC doesn't support Windows 11. What is happening? So the problem is you have to enable TPM. What is TPM? TPM stands for Trusted Platform Module, and it's probably inside of your BIOS, but you cannot enable it. Today I will do a video how to simply and fast enable it in Asus motherboard if you have a Ryzen processor in. So stay with me and let's jump to the PC. So we're back in the Asus BIOS. First what you have to do is go to the boot, choose OS type Windows UEFI mode. So that is needed to boot Windows 11. The next thing, for some motherboards you can easily find TPM in settings, but in this one there is no settings. So what will you have to do? Just press F9, type in TPM and then hit OK. So TPM 2.0 UEFI spec version, it is enabled. AMD FTP switch enabled. So it is very fast and very easy to do it. You don't need to go to all the settings in the motherboard. Just click search with the F9, enter what you want and you will find it. When you are finished, save changes and restart. I haven't made any changes, but nevertheless. So that's it. Assuming your PC can handle Windows 11 with other settings, with graphics card and processor, you can now safely install Windows 11 through the updates or by USB. So thank you for watching. Please continue this session, watch something else, and don't forget to subscribe here somewhere and hit that like button because it helps us a lot. And until next video, see ya.